I'm analyzing the long-term performance data, which is primarily from the United States. They have a very enriched data set about their payments, their design, traffic, thickness of the payments, every other soil subgrade beneath it. And then they also have data about the different climate regions. So what I'm primarily interested in is to look at the data set and capture what are the important parameters that can help us to design our payments for future climatic scenarios in the UK, because there are some climatic zones which are similar to the UK in the US. So I'm primarily looking for the insights that can come from these kind of data sets. So from the preliminary analysis, what I found was there is a correlation between the soil type and the performance. They in the US they do the performance in a metrics called IRI, International Roughness Index. So this gives us how smooth your payment is. So how this is getting affected? It is getting affected by type of the soil on which it is laid, and the climate zone on which it is there, the road payment is there, and the thickness of the payment, which primarily dictates where exactly the what type of payment it is, whether it is rural or urban, and the design of the traffic that goes into it. What I found is there is a deeper correlation with respect to the fine grained soils, where you have the most impact on the IRI. So you need to have a better design for such kind of soils. And then your climatic zone, the wet freeze, if you have lot of wet and then freeze and thaw cycles, there also you have lot of performance issues. So this is something similar to what we are experiencing in the UK. So I'm trying to understand more into this so we can better design our payments. So I have understood that the subgrade is important, and the type of intervention that they do. So this data set primarily starts from 1980s onwards, but they have the data about what kind of intervention went into and what is the repair frequency. So in the UK, most of our roads are already built, so we are maintaining it. So we can tap that insight of what kind of repair is going to be beneficial for us. That is more important and valuable to us. So I'm going to try analyzing the data in that context, how the design is going to affect the performance, how the repair intervention is going to affect the performance, and how we can use this for UK performance.